Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope that you people are well. In my today's video, I'm going to explain a very interesting and important topic of marketing. It is called the evolution of marketing. It is very much related to the video that I covered a few days ago. It was about the difference between traditional and contemporary marketing, so it is more related to that. In some books, this evolution of marketing topic is also called marketing orientations. Now, when a company wants to design its marketing strategy, they have to keep in front of them certain concepts. Based on those concepts, they design their marketing strategies. Now, there are around 5 important concepts that an organization keep in mind before they design their marketing strategies. And somehow these 5, or in some books these are 4 important concepts, clearly see a transition in the eras of marketing as well. The first one, and the very common one, is called production orientation concept. In production orientation concepts, the idea is that consumers will favor those products that are readily available and they are highly affordable. So the company normally focus on increasing their production efficiency, increasing the number of items that they can produce so that the products are available to the consumers. The next one is called product orientation concept. In product orientation concept, the focus of the company is producing good quality products. This concept says that consumers will favor those products which are of high quality, they have good features, and they are durable. So the company focuses more on producing those products which are considered good quality products. The third important concept is called selling concept. This concept states that consumers will favor those products or those companies who put efforts in selling and promotion. So if a company focuses on aggressive selling techniques, if a company focuses on aggressive promotional techniques in order to increase their sales, they are following the selling concept. The fourth concept is called the marketing concept. Now, this is more of a contemporary marketing. The focus of the companies are shifted from product and production and selling to more on customers' needs and wants. The focus is on how to satisfy customers. So the company's focus is the companies try their best to satisfy the customers. Irrespective of what products the company wants to produce, they go to the customers and ask the customers what do they want to see in their product. So you see a clear shift from production and product and selling to producing those products, which results in satisfying customers. The next concept, the fifth, is called societal marketing concept. In this concept, the focus of the companies are not only to satisfy customers or not only to earn profit, but the focus is on societal welfare. They produce products which are not only beneficial for the customers but also beneficial for the rest of the society. I normally give an example that companies who produce tobacco, cigarette for instance, so those companies can never reach the societal marketing or the societal marketing orientation concept or the societal concept. Why? Because smoking is harmful for the rest of the society. Even it is harmful for the customers who are using it. But what about passive smokers, those who do not smoke? When a customer who gets satisfaction out of smoking is sitting with a person who is a non-smoker, the non-smoker is adversely affected. So that's why we can say that all the companies who are adversely affecting the society but are beneficial for the customers one way or another, they are not in the stage of societal marketing. So I'm repeating, what is societal marketing? The focus of the company is not only to satisfy the customers, but the whole society. So the concepts that I covered in my today's video was production orientation concept, where the focus is on production, availability of the product. product orientation concepts, where the focus is on producing good quality products with great features. Selling orientation or sales orientation concepts, where the focus of the company is to introduce aggressive selling techniques. The fourth concept was marketing orientation concepts, where the focus of the company is on how to satisfy the needs and wants of the customers. The fifth concept was societal marketing, where the focus of the company is not only to satisfy the customers but to satisfy the society at large. I hope that you enjoyed today's topic. If you have any question, feel free to ask. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye.